Alright, got me an old little moped battery. Got the caps off. There's no liquid in here. I've been shaking it for like 10-15 minutes. Nothing. So I wonder if someone put it in just without putting battery acid in. But we're gonna find out if distilled water will do the trick. Because I watched a video a long time ago that said that this worked. But I'm gonna pour this in each cell until they're decently full, and then throw it on a trickle charger and see what happens. You should probably use a funnel. I'm just too lazy. Alright, it's maybe a little too full. I really hope this works. I'm sick of buying batteries all the freaking time. Okay, there's probably some battery acid on my hands now. Just old stuff. Not leaky anymore. I think we're good to go. What do you know? There's a funnel. Oh my gosh, such a mess. Alright, here's my trickle charger. For this, I imagine you'd have to use one of these crappy ones from Harbor Freight, because some of them will only charge a battery if it can sense a current, but I doubt there's going to be a current from this one. I guess we'll see if that little light should come on if this water already has any electrons in it, but I really doubt it. No way. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. This is not plugged in. That is the cord. It's not plugged in. This battery is powering this light because I guess it's pretty well charged from just that distilled water. But I'm going to plug it in and we'll give it some juice anyway. I'm honestly really surprised that worked. I watched a video like 4 years ago about it with a guy doing this with a car battery. But that's awesome. I guess I'll update you once this is charged and see if it'll start one of these mopeds. Alright, she's been charging about, what, 7 hours, 8 hours? I'm going to test it, see what the voltage is at. Alright, got it set up. There's positive. Bonk. Oh, hey, that's good. Anything over 12.6 is good. Wow. Oh, it's fluctuating. Not a good connection. This voltmeter is from Harbor Freight also. That might be good enough to start a moped. Wow. Pretty impressive. I guess it works.